Welcome to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will dive into the discovery of electron by the famous cathode ray experiment. So join us in this journey, whether you are a student or a curious mind. In 1800s, Dalton's atomic theory that we learned in the previous lecture was proposed, but nobody believes at that time. Throughout the 1800s, scientists got on board with this theory. But in 1897, J.J. Thomson performed an experiment called cathode ray experiment with his workers. His agenda was to find out if it is true that atoms cannot be divisible. The experiment setup: firstly glass tube, then suction pump, metal rods, battery, and wires. We will firstly make this tube filled with vacuum, which will decrease pressure. Then we turn on the circuit and increase voltage. These increased negative charge gets dense on cathode, and then a ray emerged from cathode. This ray, which was emerging from cathode ray people, thought it was light, but to test that, J.J. Thomson did something. He added an external, positive magnetic field and added a screen to identify them, and these cathode rays started getting deviated, and also it landed on the screen. Properties of cathode ray: it is negative charge, it has mass, it appears in less pressure and high voltage. This is how electron was discovered. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.